Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 portable steam cleaner in 2024. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading portable steam cleaner that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Wagner Spraytech, a multipurpose power steamer that's perfect for your cleaning needs. This steamer offers chemical-free cleaning, using nothing but steam to remove wallpaper and clean countless household surfaces. It includes 18 accessories and nozzles that help dissolve dirt, grease, and grime on various surfaces. The Wagner 915E is great for wallpaper removal. The 8-foot steam hose provides great length for reaching tall walls. With a capacity of 40 ounces of water, it heats up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit in under 9 minutes and provides 40 continuous minutes of cleaning power. It's easy to use. Just connect your attachment, add water, and turn the steamer on. The orange light will turn off when it's ready for use. In conclusion, the Wagner Spraytech 02820149115E is a versatile and efficient tool for all your steam cleaning tasks. Number 4. The Bissell SteamShot Hard Surface Steam Cleaner. This device is not just a cleaner, but a natural sanitizer that uses steam power to remove dirt, grime, and grease. Every purchase of this product supports the Bissell Pet Foundation's mission to save homeless pets. It's not just a cleaner, but also a way to give back to the community. With 1000 watts of steam power, it can clean a variety of hard surfaces, making it a versatile tool for your cleaning needs. The on-demand steam trigger allows you to control the amount of high-pressure, high-temperature steam, giving you the convenience to adjust based on your cleaning needs. It comes with 7 multi-surface cleaning tools, including a jet nozzle, 3 color-coded round bristle brushes, a grout tool, a flat scraper tool, and an angle concentrator tool. The best part? It's chemical-free. It uses water only for 100% natural cleaning, making it safe for kids and pets. In conclusion, the Bissell SteamShot Cleaner is a powerful, versatile, and eco-friendly tool that not only cleans but also sanitizes your home. Plus, every purchase helps save homeless pets. What's not to love? Number 3. The Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner. This powerful, multipurpose, portable steamer is perfect for cleaning floors, cars, tiles, and grout. It's chemical-free and comes with an advanced cleaning pack. This steamer does it all. It cleans, disinfects, sanitizes, degreases, and deodorizes any surface without the use of chemicals. With a temperature of up to 275 degrees Fahrenheit 135 degrees Celsius, it's the best multi-purpose steamer for home, cars, and more. It offers up to 50 minutes of cleaning time per fill-up, making it both heavy-duty and large capacity. No need for expensive special pads. You can use any regular towel or cloth for floor cleaning. This kit includes the Neat Steam Cleaner and an advanced cleaning pack for a comprehensive cleaning solution. In conclusion, the Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner is a versatile, efficient, and eco-friendly choice for all your cleaning needs. Number 2. The PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop, a versatile cleaning solution for your home. First up, this steam mop offers chemical-free cleaning. It's perfect for homes with kids and pets, using heated steam to clean effectively. Next, it heats in just 30 seconds. Whether you're cleaning hardwood, tile, or even laminate floors, this mop has got you covered. Another great feature is the detachable handheld steamer. It's lightweight and perfect for steaming clothes or cleaning upholstery. The mop is light and maneuverable, with a swiveling head that reaches under furniture. Plus, the handle collapses for easy storage. Finally, it comes with a variety of accessories, including brushes, a nozzle, a scrape tool, a steamer jet, a squeegee, a carpet glider, and microfiber cloths. In conclusion, the PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop is a versatile, efficient, and user-friendly cleaning tool. Number 1. The Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner, Model 1400B. This versatile cleaner is not just a product, but a step towards a noble cause. Every purchase of this product contributes to the Bissell Pet Foundation's mission to save homeless pets. It's a win-win situation: you get a clean home, and you help a pet in need. This cleaner boasts powerful suction capabilities, perfect for removing tough pet spots and stains from various surfaces, including carpets, upholstery, and car interiors. The 1400B model comes with exclusive tools like the HydroRinse self-cleaning hose tool and spraying crevice tool, enhancing its cleaning efficiency. Its lightweight design makes it easy to clean multiple surfaces throughout your home. It's a portable powerhouse. With a 48-ounce tank, you can clean more between refills, making your cleaning tasks less of a hassle. In conclusion, the Bissell Little Green 1400B is more than just a cleaner. It's a versatile, efficient, and socially responsible choice for your home. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.